Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Guess what? We have another Causebox spoiler, so let's get right into it. In case you are new to Causebox, Causebox is a seasonal lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter, and this is for the fall 2020 box that we have a spoiler. We probably won't do customization until like September 1st, but I love that they're giving us these spoilers. And also, if you're already a Causebox member or if you sign up soon, the add-ons market is open. And there's a lot of stuff in that add-ons market, and I have already put my order in. Anyway, if you are new to Causebox, it is $54.95 per season. If you sign up annually, it ends up being $49.95. And the difference between Causebox and the other lifestyle boxes is they put their emphasis on being ethically minded. They say that every item tells a story that makes the world better, whether it's putting people to work in places where perhaps they wouldn't have jobs. They just try and do things that give back to the world we live in, and I really like that. So I have had Causebox for a couple of years, and I really enjoy it. Okay, down to the spoiler. The fourth spoiler that we have that will be in everyone's box is what Causebox is calling their first cheese board set. And it is a board, a pair of tongs, and a spatula. And they are all made out of bamboo. So while I couldn't find a lot of information about this specific set, which I suspect was put together for Causebox, I did go to their site, and what I found out is bamboo is naturally antimicrobial. It is highly renewable, while it takes trees 30 years to grow if we use their wood, or plastics 1,000 years to break down. It only takes 3 to 4 months for bamboo to grow to maturity, and it takes no pesticides or chemicals, which if you're making cutting boards, I see as a really positive thing. This is 3 pieces, and again, they call it their first cheese board set, but they also say that it is a cutting board, tongs, and a spatula. I personally am going to use these pieces individually. Charcuterie and cheese board is huge in our family, so I have several boards and I have gifted them to everyone I could possibly gift them to. But these pieces individually, I can definitely use, and a price wasn't listed. So on their site, I found a 5-piece utensil set for only $10. So that makes each utensil about $2. But the tongs, in all fairness, would probably be more. And you can get a large and medium cutting board set for $15. So that makes this a less than $20 set, but I will love it because I love bamboo kitchen pieces. Okay, so that is it for spoiler 4. It is just that one item. It will be in every fall 2020 Causebox. So if you are caught up to date, thank you so much for coming by, and I will see you again soon. But what I will do now, if you have missed the first few spoilers, is I'll go over them really quickly, and then at the end of the video, I'll link their longer videos that tell you a little more detail about them. So let's get into the first 3 spoilers. The first spoiler had a customization choice. And like I always tell you with Causebox, to have customization choices with Causebox, you have to be an annual member. If you are a seasonal member, they will select one product from each category for you. So in the first category, the 2 choices were the Green Company's set of 10 reusable facial rounds that come with a little bag that you can wash them in, or Buzzy Seeds Basil Grow Kit, and it includes everything you need to grow organic basil at home. And again, if you are an annual, you will get to choose between those 2 items, and if you are seasonal, one will be chosen for you. In spoiler number 2, we have choices again if you are an annual. The choice is between the Bath & Waffle Bathrobe or the Bath & same brand, Waffle Towels, and they say they have a $90 value. You will get to choose between those. If you are an annual, you will also get to select either mint or charcoal. And if you are seasonal, one of the products in one of the colors will be selected for you. The third category that we had was also 2 choices. It is the Artisan Direct Milky Way Lantern, which I think is really pretty, or the Teas Tea Glass 3-in-1 Tea and Fruit Tumbler, which I have to have because you guys know I love tea, so I just have to have that. So if you are an annual, you will get to select between one of those 2. If you are a seasonal, Causebox will select one for you. Okay, you are now up to date, and again, I will link the videos here so you can go over and check out a little more detail that I have on each one if you are interested. Thank you so much for coming by. I will put my link below. It will get you $10 off your first box, and I will be back just as soon as we have more spoilers. Thank you again so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more spoilers and other videos, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye guys.